Hello, welcome to 60 Graphics. My name is GDCS60. We are continuing with our this QR code and the barcode generator, and today we are going to write code. We based in code only. Okay, as I told you that I have used the some of APIs like barcode and the QR APIs. Those are free APIs. So let me open my application. This is our application as we saw it in the last tutorial. This was the main form. Okay, this was the main form like this. So you see, this is our main form. Let me go to the design view. So you see we have this and this one. So let me, okay, I will start with the small things here. Small things. Let me delete this one. Okay, so it's main edge, yes, like this. This was application. Okay, so now here we are going to load first. We don't need this focus to be in the product ID, so we are going to open the product form. Let me go to design view, product form. We want this to be locked, so we are going to that and enable equal to no and lock yes, and you can put yes a color so as to mean that this is locked, okay, like so. But maybe this one, this one, yes, locked. Then we want the focus to be here, so in the product name, so in the unload and data in the event. So we go to the event, unload, event procedure. Then here we will put main dot product name dot set focus. Okay, so we set focus to the product name. Okay, ignore this first. Ignore this thing. Okay, then after that, when we load this one, you see the focus is on the product name and this locally, so user cannot click here. Okay, then after that we are going to open the design view. On load, we want this. When you see here, you see this is named as main form, so we want to be captioned as the QR code and the barcode generator. Okay, so unload this main form. Unload. Also we are going to do this me.caption equals to string QR code and barcode generator. QR code and barcode generator. This I think so. Put this. Yes. So we have this one with back. Then when we see here, we have QR code and barcode generator. Also after that, we are going to make things happen here into this pattern down here. Okay, let me open the product in the design view. Then this is the previous, so we on click in previous, so we are going to put the code on click previous. Then do cmd dot go to record, then arc previous. So that's all about. Then on next we do the sim do cmd dot go to record arc next. Okay, so now in the here new do, okay, do cmd dot go to record arc new record. Okay, compile, then in save. Okay, I think you know, all of you know the, okay, do cmd save, and we can put here the message box product save, then bb information, then title save. So this let me cut this and put this here. See, so we save, then we throw out the message product saved, and we can put the beep, but not necessary. Okay, then on the read, okay, on the read we are going to delete this one. I think all of you know. So on the read first, we must put some, we dim response is integer. Okay, then this response equals to, we put the message here first. You put the message box, put brackets and double quote. We ask first, are you sure? Okay, if you click yes, you delete product. Then VB yes no. Okay, VB yes no. Then title choices. Then we put our bracket. So see now we are going to put if statement here. If response equals to VB yes, then what to do cmd.beep. Okay, then we delete, we are going to delete that record. Do cmd dot we run command what command arc delete cmd arc cmd delete whoa delete record. Yes, this one. Then we put message box product deleted, comma VB information title deleted. Then if user click no, then else do cmd.beep message box action cancelled by the user. Okay, then VB information title cancel. Then we end if like this. This is for delete. Okay, this is for delete. Okay, we have the variable here, then we put the message in that variable, then use that variable name to be yes. If user click yes, then something will go on. Okay, let me go test this if it can work. Wow, are you sure? If you click yes, you delete product. If I click no, then you see action cancelled by the user. Okay, that's work perfectly. Perfect. So now we are going to put a private sub. Okay, a private sub for this maneuvering this web browsers. Okay, so first of all, I am going to let me go and this form here, and I will put the here. First of all, I put the a private sub here. Private sub. This is for this form only. That's why this sub will be called as maybe fetch. May I get QR. Okay, so we have this sub get QR. Okay, get QR or barcode. This is our sub now. So first of all, just to write this API for API Windows. Okay, just go option compare database, option explicit. If VB7 and Win64, then private declare PTR safe. If you are using the 64BT, put the PTR safe before function name, then function URL download to file rib. This one, then areas URL download to file A by. So just copy this one, then paste it to your code before this code. Okay, before this sub. I will put it in the description, this window API. So first of all, we are going to make the database folder where to put those images, and the images we are defining those QR code and a barcode. So I am going to make first the path to the storage of that images of QR code and barcode. So first of all, we dim my path as a string. Then we are going to clear this. Let me show you here. We are going to clear this. If there is nothing, to clear this, the address this way to clear this web browser. Okay, I'm going to clear this. Remember, this is web QR and this is web barcode. So we are going to clear this. Let me go here. Then on our sub is here. So we are going to clear first. Then we put web. Can you put me dot web so as we can get this something fast? Web dot control source. Okay, control source. We put equals to double quote equals double quote about semicolon, then blank then we put a double quote. Okay, so we repeat this one so as we can copy this one, then we paste it here, and then we change this one to me dot web barcode. So we have cleared this thing here. So just look, let me show you. When we load this one, you see, oh no, we are still we are not calling this one. Maybe let me go and call this here. Unload, where is unload? This here. Unload, let me call this, because this is the private server. Let me copy this one and call here, so as you can see what is going on. So I'm calling this one, okay, get qr barcode, then debug. Okay, when it loads, you see those words had disappeared. So it look clear. Okay, so we are still continuing. Let's go. Then we are in our private sub here. Then after clearing those browsers, then we are going to get the folder for QR code. Okay, folder for QR code. So my path, you remember we declared our path there. My path will be equal to current. We put in the current folder, current project. Okay, we use this current dot path. Okay, and we concatenate with we want the folder to be as we put this backslash, then we want the folder to be named as QR, and we put this backslash, then we put the double quote. Are we there? So then if there is error on that path, so we put error right here on error, resume next. So we make the directory. So directory is to my path. Remember, you know, yeah, make directory to my path. So you see here, path is a string, and our path here is deemed as a string. So we are still right here. Then after making those directory, we are going to check to see if the image exists, because sometimes you can change details. When you change details, you need to get the new QR code to the internet, okay, to that API. So if the old one exists, we must delete that the old one, then we save the new one for the relevant information that will appear to our application. So we are going to check if the image exists. So we use that path to check if the image exists. So my path okay, will be equal to our path. My path again, and we concatenate to product ID. Remember, we have the product ID there. So let me see. You see this one, it is a product ID, because this is a unique number to each item or to each detail registered in this application. So we use this as a criteria to differentiate one product ID to another product. So now we are going to do this here. So we make this equal to concatenate with product ID. Okay, and we search our image now is equal to .png. So now here we have checked the image and the exact image of that ID. So if director, which was your path, okay, my path, okay, equals to empty, then so if there is no image, then what we do means the file is not existing. Okay, so what we do here, we are going to do thing here. First of all, we want, let me put this and if here first. First of all, we want when the image not exist in the directory, we want this thing here, this button, to move below or be back in the back to this browser here, and the label to appear on the search, showing the application is searching the barcode or is creating the barcode. So we are going first to make it to the image to appear. So we can put this let me see the name of the label. This is label fetching. Okay, label fetching. So first of all, on load, we can put this label fetching to be hidden. Okay, there you go. On load, where is on load? On load here. So we can put me.label lbl fetching dot visible equals to false. Okay, so the form, when the form is loading, then the image fetch will be equal to visible. Okay, I know. Yeah, I've mistaken my past. Yes, equal to visible. Okay, so here you see here. So when I load this one, you see the image disappeared. But we want, if there is no image in the directory, we want this button shift down here. So how to make this button shift down here and reappear here? Here there is a thing. We pause our private sub. Now we are going to make this button to be shifted from here to down and down to here. So if you are not if you have not checked the tutorial of shifting buttons with the shifting what I can say text box and many things, so just go to my tutorial. I have the link in the description. Go and check it how to make it. So I am going to fetch this thing. So here I will create a fourth button. Okay, oh yeah, the first button. So yeah, it's like a first button. So this is the first button. Then I will cancel this one. This I will name first button, first btn. So this first btn, I want to check this thing here. So I am going to this first btn on click here, first btn. I want to get the exact value of that buttons, the exact value of that button at that place. So I am using this thing here, message box. Then I will put me dot btn. I use btn or cmd. Yes, cmd, maybe we start with cmd print dot value. Okay, we use top. Let's see how we can get from here. Me dot cmd dot print dot top. Then we got the exact value of that thing. Yeah, we want the exact value of this one. Then click this, we get 2840. I will record here. Recording here. Normal value. It is 2844. Print cmd print. Then I will change it to another get qr dot cmd get qr code dot top. Then I will come here and click here. Then I'll get the exact value. Okay, the value of the of those button, all of this one is 2840. That's okay. So we are going to shift this button. Okay, so I'm clicking this one. Then when the button disappear, must be in this, okay, here, and then I'll put this positioned back. Okay, then I'll find the exact value of that place. To see like this, then the exact value is 3460. Okay, so the normal value is 2840 and the hide value is 3460. So now you see, okay, I wanna grab them the btn. So I will do things here, make it things to be normal. So you see our button has disappeared, so they are not seen. Okay, you can't see them. So we are going on load here. We're going to check on load here, on load. Then we put this thing here. So me dot cmd print cmd pdf maybe dot top equals to, we put the normal value because we want to see those buttons to be there. So equals to this value. Then you mean cmd get qr, then dot top equals to the same value. Okay, me dot we are meant with the cmd pdf, I think, or print cmd print dot top equals to the same value. I think you understand. So if you haven't seen the tutorial of moving these things left, right, top, padding, just go to my tutorial. I have put the link in the description here, so you can learn more. You can switch things into your application. So we have this code here. So we just make those buttons to be at the normal state. Okay, on load, let me go and see. So you see our button are at the normal state. So we are going to continue to the private sub now. So we are going to our private sub.